Seed sampling. The objective of seed sampling is to obtain a representative sample of size suitable for the required test. A representative sample is one which contains the same constituents as are present in the seed lot and in the same proportion. Method of sampling. A sample from a seed lot is obtained by taking a small portion called primary sample at random from a different portion in a lot and combining them to form a composite sample. From this composite sample, smaller samples, submitted sample are obtained by one more stages. At each stages through mixing is followed either by progressive subdivision or by the abstraction and combination of a small portion at random. Uses of sampling equipments: stick or sleeve type trier, bin sampler, knob trier, and hand sampling are some of the methods of obtaining the seed sample. The sample which is obtained by these methods are known as primary sample. After that, we will mix the primary sample to form composite sample. For example, we have 50 bags of 100 quintals seeds, so we will take sample from 10 to 15 bags initially, which will known as primary sample, and then we will mix it to form a composite sample. And after that, for the laboratory test, we have to extract working sample from the composite sample. For that, we will use some method of seed sampling, in which one of the method which I'm going to perform is known as hand halving method of seed sampling, in which seed will be seed wi- seed we will take a seed sample, and that sample we will use for the laboratory test to test the seed whether it is to check the seed germination, to check the seed genetic purity, seed morphology like shape, size, and etc. So